Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. In this session, we'll have a look at Revolve. How do we use this tool, and the shell as well as the ribs. So these are the three main features we're going to deal today. If you would like to practice the files, we have the case studies and exercises attached into the comment section. You can find the link to download the files. Well, let's get started with this. This is the part called casing. We use it for pump casings and gear casings as well. Yeah. So now how do we design this? As we are already familiar with the Sketcher workbench and how to sketch it, I would like to directly take you through the tools. Let's say now this is the sketch which I would like to use it. So what I'll do is I'll simply edit the sketch and I'll just press Ctrl A and Ctrl C. So this time, instead of sketching this whole thing as we are already familiar with, I'd like to directly paste it. Ctrl V. You could see. Now this is not exactly in reference to origin. What I would like to do is I'll simply select any of these points, the reference. I'll drag and drop it on the origin so that it should be fully defined. Now here, this dimension which it is showing, it is not referenced. What I would like to do is I'll simply delete this and I'll reassign it. D is the shortcut. Yeah. Now the sketch is ready. You can go back to the previous model. We don't know exactly what thickness it has taken, right? To get to know that, you can use a shortcut. One is you can just hold the control, select two faces. It will show you the normal distance 4 mm. Or else the traditional way, you can go to evaluate and you can use the measure from this face to this face. It indicates 4 mm area with perimeters, everything. Yeah. So even in the Revolve option itself, they have specified thin feature. If your sketch is open, you can specify this thin feature. What it does is it will add thickness for this. So this is one way. Let's create this one here. This is the open sketch, right? So what and all we can do here? The first thing, you can simply offset it inside or outwards. So let me just see what exactly it has done. So it is outside. Yeah. So what we can do here is you can use the offset. You can activate the select chain and you can specify the dimension for. You can reverse the direction. Yeah. This is one way, and you can close this. Yeah, you have this closed sketch. Exit the workbench, isometric view. I would like to go ahead with the features, Revolve. This is my axis as a reference, and you have your part ready. Now instead of offset, what I'll do is I'll simply remove these which have extra it's added by offset. We'll see the same option, exit and rebuild anyway, and now it throw the error because it has taken the close sketch. Now there is no close sketch for this. Now in this particular scenario, what you should do is you need to delete this one because it will activate once it recognizes the feature. Now if I select this one, it will give you the warning, the sketch is not closed. Would you like to be automatically closed? If I say yes, so it will directly give you the thin feature here, right? So now here you can specify the thickness. Let's say I would like to have it 4 as it is. I'll get this, right? This is how you can just deal with the revolve thing. Now we'll see how do we need to work on the ribs. I'd like to take the section view at the moment just for my reference, and I would like to refer this plane, right plane. We can use the convert entities and we can take this reference. Let me see. Yeah, this will work. This is just for my reference. Now I would like to sketch up to here. Yeah, if it goes slightly inside, that is also fine. Now this sketch, I would like to turn it for reference. Once your sketch is ready, you can exit. So this is just a random sketch, okay, for our reference. Now how do we create a rib out of this? You can directly go to the tool called rib, which is here. You can select this, you can click on this one. It will give you the distance. So I'd like to maintain it 1 mm. You can see this one, and here the alignment, it's left side, right side, and the middle. So I'd like to have it in the middle, so you can simply see the preview how it looks like. It's not that good. Yeah, you can see a single line will close everything and it will just try to attach it to the adjacent faces. Now this is the model. I would like to have the uniform thickness of 2 mm everywhere, and I would like to have the cap both the sides. In this case, what we should do is you can use the shell feature. These two faces which I'm going to remove, faces to remove. Yeah, the shell thickness of 2 mm I would like to have it. Yeah, if you specify these two, more than sufficient. Software will take care of everything. The fillets, you can see outside fillets will match to the inside one, and this is how it will be generated. So one more example I would like to show you. If you have like, I would like to create a sphere which should be having the thickness of 2 mm inside without using the offset. In this case, what we can do is circle you can draw. Yeah, you can draw this half and you can trim one side and you can exit and you can revolve this. Now this is the complete solid sphere, right? Now very important thing is you can use the same tool. You can specify the thickness how much you want. Now don't select any face. What software does is it won't remove any faces. It will simply apply the shell everywhere, and you can see this is what you want to get it. And if I check this section view, you have the sphere with a thickness of 2 mm everywhere. This is how you can just create the shell feature. Finally, to summarize, we had gone through the revolve tool and the ribs, how we need to use it, and we have seen the limitations and what exactly we need to do to tackle them. And finally, we have seen the shell tool and how exactly we can use it with respect to the applications.
We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.